What's up, you guys? It's Adana. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new, take a look around. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. All right, so you guys, I am bringing you guys a free, that is right, free, it's free, 3 free GRE resources that I feel like every student who will need to take the GRE should absolutely take advantage of because it's free. I know that many of you have seen like my GRE videos or like, you know, how I've studied for the GRE or how I've scored high on the GRE, and there are lots of GRE videos out there and just information on the GRE because it is a test that is widely used, and it is a test that is used to get into PA schools as well. I had to study for the GRE and I had to take the GRE, and I used some of these resources, not all of them, but some of them, and I found a couple more that I felt like are important for you guys to have. So my first resource that I absolutely think you should definitely use because it's free is ETS, which is the website that you actually go to sign up for your GRE and, you know, choose where you're actually taking your GRE and pay for it and all that stuff. You go there to also send the information to the various different schools. After you've left the test center, you can send your scores to programs from this website. On ETS's website, it is ets.org. They have these power prep tests for you. There's 2 exams that they allow you to take for free, and you should absolutely take advantage of them because those exams are going to help you prepare for the test. It's going to get you a little bit more familiar with it, and you guys, desensitization is a thing. So the more you practice, the more you take questions, the more you take exams, the more you prepare yourself in like an exam taking mode, the better you will be the day of when you actually need to take the exam and you need to like be calm, cool, and collected. So it is very important for you all to keep that in mind. Like I said, they offer you 2 free exams right here on the website that you can take advantage of. But I really do think that it is a good resource to use because they're the ones that's giving you the exam anyways, right? So you might as well utilize it from the source. That is ets.org. I will leave all of these links in the description box below so that you can go to the various different sites that I named today. Another resource that I definitely think you should take advantage of that is free is YouTube. Duh, you guys are watching me here on YouTube. You are looking at this video. You see some of my other videos, some of my vocab videos, and there are a plethora of videos out there on the GRE on YouTube, and it is actually a great place to learn. More specifically though, if you're not coming to Adana PA to learn anything GRE related, definitely go on over to Khan Academy. So on ETS's website, they actually reference Khan Academy. So you can actually click on that link and it will take you to Khan Academy and how they talk about like the quantitative section of the GRE. It helps you out a lot with respect to learning the different tips and tricks that will help you score well on this exam or help you know exactly how to go through and see the exam. And so when you're doing that, like I suggest you just type in GRE Prep or GRE Vocab, GRE Quant, whatever it is that you're looking to get better at, whatever it is that you're actually looking for information on, type that into the search engine of YouTube and see what pops up. And obviously, you know, you have to vet those resources, and a good way to do that is by likes and views. So go ahead and like this video right now. But no, on a serious note, definitely go through, you vet those video resources so that you know that the information that is being prepared for you and given to you is accurate and it's helpful. So another way, and my last and third way that you should absolutely take advantage of is the library. Like I talk to you guys about this all the time. Go to the library and get those free books. Get yourself a library card, it's free, and then you can get all of the GRE prep books. So Kaplan has like a lot of GRE prep books, and at the library there are a good amount of like 2019 and 2020 resources that I've seen just in my library alone, let alone, you know, the other states and maybe your community college or your particular college, just all of the various different libraries that you have access to, use them. Because aside from Kaplan, there's like GRE for Dummies, there's the Princeton Review GRE. They may not have all of the other like resources that you would think of, like that may have books. Like I know when I was doing the MCAT, I did Exam Cracker. Like they don't have exam crackers at my particular library. But who knows, maybe they may have something at your library that you can take, like that particular chemistry section or physics section, and allow you the opportunity to get these quick concepts down, so that when you're going through and you're outsourcing some of this information to your brain, you're like, oh, okay, I got this. This is easy. But the library is our friend, okay? You can do it online as well. If you have a Kindle and you have your library card, you can access typically your library online and download books directly to your Kindle. And that way it's right there at your hand. You don't even have to leave your house. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you to get access to some of these newer materials that like Kaplan and like Princeton Review are putting out for the GRE for 2020 and 2019, and it allows you to get them for free without having to shut out that money. So hopefully this was helpful. If you may have like some ideas on ways to get like other free information for the GRE, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. Maybe there's something that I didn't think of, or there's a website that you know of that will offer that as well. I'll leave that in the comment section for the other subscribers that are watching this video. Like this video and go ahead and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at AdanaThePA. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys next time.